Welcome back. Continuing the news. In just under 2 hours, the Finance Minister, Dr. Nigel Clark, and his opposition counterpart, opposition spokesman on finance, Mark Golding, will tell the country their plans for the economy in the second of 3 national debates. Now, ahead of that debate, pollster Don Anderson asked Jamaicans whether the economy had improved in the last 4 years. The majority of persons polled said yes, but they remain divided on whether their personal financial situation is better. Vashon Brown tells us more.
Before the COVID-19 pandemic, the government had been touting its progress in areas like the economy. But COVID-19 came and the economy took a battering. In fact, just yesterday, the Bank of Jamaica projected that the economy will contract by between 7 and 10% during the 2020-2021 fiscal year. When this poll was conducted between July 24 and August 3, Jamaicans were asked to give their views on the economy since 2016, the year the JLP administration took office. The majority, 65%, said the economy improved. The other 35% did not think so. When a similar question was asked in February this year, 57% said the economy had improved. So what did people say in this latest poll when asked whether their personal financial situation has improved since 2016?
50.1% saying, yes, I believe my personal situation has improved, as against 49.9% who said, no, my personal situation has not improved. So despite the fact that there is a view that the economy overall has improved, so this is in a way not consistent with the belief that the economy itself has improved. So in a way, they're saying it hasn't trickled down to me.
In the February 2020 poll, 45% of respondents said they had seen improvements in their financial position in the last 4 years. Jamaicans were also asked about the impact of COVID-19 on their personal financial situation. Almost 8 out of every 10 Jamaicans, or 79%, said COVID-19 has negatively impacted their financial situation. The other 21% said COVID-19 has positively impacted their financial situation. Many people have lost their jobs as a result of the pandemic, which is part of why Mr. Anderson argues that the response to this question is not quite surprising. People were also asked about the sector they feel has been most affected by COVID.
The large majority of persons, 63.6%, said this was tourism. Every other sector is in the single digit. So that tourism stands out as far as they are concerned as the sector which has been most negatively impacted by COVID. What other sectors? Entertainment, 9.4. Not surprisingly, we see other parties now coming to the fore because of the relaxation, but 9.4% said entertainment was the sector most affected. Transportation, 5.2%.
As for which sector will drive the country's economic recovery, 60% said tourism, 7.7% said entertainment, and 5.5% said agriculture. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.